Recovery boards have been a key part of the four-wheel driver's recovery equipment for years. Well, Exitrax have taken all of those learnings and completely re-engineered the way a recovery board works. There are 3 boards in the Exitrax range: good, better and best. Now, each of these boards do feature the patent-pending design innovations that Exitrax have come up with. The traditional recovery board has a ramp up onto the board in this area here. Now, the Exitrax redesign has completely removed that ramp and gives us a flat surface on which the tyre can climb up onto. So it gives us a number of key advantages. One, the tyre doesn't have a hill to climb up straight off the get-go, and secondly, the recovery board can get down underneath the tyre that much further and be right where the traction is needed. Exitrax has done a redesign on the underside of the board as well. These chevrons down the middle of the board here have all been designed to be proud of the perimeter of the board. And why does that matter? Well, when the tyre is putting pressure on the top of the board, those chevrons are forced down into the ground. And why does that matter? Well, that means the board doesn't slide backwards. That means your vehicle goes forward and you get out of the bogging scenario. All of the boards come with 3 handles, and these handles are well balanced so that the board hangs on your hand nice and comfortably. They come with leashes so you can pull the boards out of the mud or the sand, and whilst the boards are dirty, they can go onto any of the commonly available mounting systems on the market today. During the redesign of these boards, Exitrax actually found that by reducing the number of nodules on the surface of the board, the tyre was forced into the existing nodules and gave them a great deal more traction. The 930 series boards are made of polypropylene, and they are ideal for the person that's going to go out on an outdoor adventure. Occasionally they might have an all-wheel drive or a light-duty four-wheel drive, and they just want to have a nice compact peace of mind solution for their outdoor adventure. And then we have the 1110 series of board. Now, these are a full-length board. Again, they're made out of the polypropylene. These cleats have been designed into the nose of the board to give you that extra level of traction that you might require. So these boards are really going to suit you if you get down to the beach on a fishing trip or you go and do a hunting trip. These boards are going to be a superb solution for your application. So this brings us to the ultimates. Across the top surface of the ultimate boards are these nodules, which are really unique design, and they're going to engage into the tread blocks of your tyre and give you the traction you need. The nose area of the ultimate boards has these 9 cleats which have been designed into it, and these have this channel in the root here which is designed to hold sand, mud and dirt, or move it out into these wider channels and the outside of the board here. That there is going to give your tyre something to really hang on to. The Exilink joiner plate is going to allow you to join a couple of boards together and give you over 2 meters of traction surface. And the joiner plate fits into the bottom side of the ultimate board and gives you a jacking plate for a high lift jack. So Exitrax look forward to you, the vehicle-based outdoor adventurer, taking these boards out into the outdoors and seeing how well they go. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.